Due for a make. Oh my God. Hey guys, it's me, Packy, and today during this video, we are giving away a ball for every single 710 that Mitch makes. And on top of that, if you guys want a chance at a bowling ball every month, we give one away to our tier 2 subscribers. So go ahead, click that link right up here, and you can become a member of our channel, get perks like some discount on our merch, a chance at a bowling ball every month, as well as some behind the scenes footage and conversations. All right, what are we doing today?
We're at North Rock Lanes, and we're about to spare some 710s.
He says we. I know for a fact I wouldn't make any, so he's gonna shoot them. Set up a 710 on every lane, 48 lanes across the center, and hopefully he makes one or this video is pointless.
PBA rate is 0.7, so technically I should make less than 1. Hoping for 4?
4. I should make less than 1. I'm gonna make 4 then.
Okay, so drilled up a fresh T-zone just for this. Purple grips and all, because they bounce things more. Hopefully.
Did you say purple balls are better? Oh my God.
They're bouncing today, all right. I was nervous about that first one. Okay, 48 shots and 1 shots. I'd honestly it'd be kind of impressive if I make 48 10 pins in a row. Like trying to bounce it.
I wouldn't be impressed.
That's a lot.
Just immediately barely clipped it. That one's got to hit.
What's that? Okay.
Do they actually? Wow! Come on. What percentage is that?
1 for 6. Honestly, I'm a little disappointed right now.
You know how depressed he would have been if he made none? However, he did talk on like lane 3 about the fact that if we made 48 in a row, it'd be impressive.
It would be.
You're a PBA player. You should always make your 10.
That's why it's more impressive. People always watch full bowls.
Oh my God!
I think one's gonna go like over the rake eventually. It's like a spot you hit it and it doesn't want to bounce.
It's in between the last 2. If you hit it like on the right side and pinch it, I feel like it bounces. And I also...
Like the one that I made, was it more on the right side and sent it over? Or was it to the right?
It was a little on the left side of the pin and it like bounced over the top. And by that I mean I don't actually know.
Me either.
Oh! Okay.
Okay, we're on pace. Actually, no, we're ahead of pace.
We're on pace. You said you should make a third of one. And you've made 2.
That
and
was the average. But I thought I could make 4. We're already at 2.
you're way ahead of pace. You should make 4 by the time we're halfway done. wish you would have made that one.
Posting it does not matter.
No, it's literally all about how
Zoom in on that one. Still in a daze.
can't stop him.
I mean, 14 10 pins in a row. That's pretty good.
Above the PBA average. Oh my God.
Kind of nasty. This goes to show you it doesn't really matter where you hit the pin. As long as you hit the pin, you have a chance.
All you got to do is touch it.
I feel like that one's actually not that close to making it. I think it just looks closer than it actually is.
Can we get a slow motion replay on that? Ah,
How many do you think Frankie would make? Think
maybe
Frankie would make
one.
Well, the only thing that's going to say is practice.
He's gonna hit all of them. And if he thinks they bounce a little bit, if he hits it like slightly on the left side.
If you get your ball just the right, the hair on the right side of that tip,
Hair on the right side? Both he's made have been the left side.
what's that?
Both he's made have been left side.
The one he made down there was on the 6.
Yeah, see, I think that one was on the right side.
Okay, so we don't know anything.
Middle and left.
Yeah, I
Alright.
thought so too.
Mitch, be more accurate.
Let's just skip the other 5.
Yeah. Ah.
See, like, that one has a chance of sparing it. It's too dead packed.
So Mitch, what were you saying? You could have made 5?
I mean, I could be at 0. I could be at 6, so I'm at 3. So I mean, it averaged out, I guess.
Law of averages.
Exactly.
They always average out. Oh my God.
I was just finished saying that I didn't feel like I got ripped off at any. So that one. I hit the pin deck. I hit behind it.
Yeah, that's toughy.
Man, the ones that I'm like clipping to the left
Always shoot
are
across.
actually kind of close. Yeah.
You either got to barely clip to the left or hit it like very heavy on the right.
Yeah.
Almost like dead center. I'd have missed at least 10 by now. Like, not missing the spare, missing the 7. I'd say at this rate, I'd probably have already started shooting 10 pins instead.
I'd be throwing a reactive ball hooking at the 10 pin.
You just talked about it, and now it's happening.
No.
Sorry, lane 24 is your lane.
It's guaranteed. Let's just skip it.
Mark it down as 4. God, all the ones that should have connected, and then you had back-to-back that were just barely missed. Behind pace again.
I know.
24 lanes in. Halfway done.
Halfway done. Or at 3. It's actually like retiring. Not gonna lie, throwing as hard as you can. Actually, I'm not even throwing as hard as I can. I want to make sure I hit the pistol first. I think we all know that when you throw it as hard as you can, you usually just get 0.
The old I just 7-10'd anger shot.
Yeah, it's straight in the gutter. Not close.
How many do you think? Do you think you can make more than 4?
Total? Yeah, I think I can make another 2. The pins just gotta cooperate.
Yeah, the last 2.
Maybe let's just switch to 7s now. Now that we're halfway. We'll see what the...
So I was gonna say, before the one on 23, All the ones you made were on the right lane. So I wonder if
really?
you alternated. Yeah,
on the
because
right
you
lane?
was 6, 18, it was all even lanes.
Oh yeah, and the odd lanes hit the 7. The thing is, I just shot 24 10 pins in a row, so
Keep
the first
shooting 10
7's a
pins.
guaranteed miss. All right, back at it.
Small TV break.
Again, refueled. Ready.
3 through 24. If you think anybody else in the house could make more than you, who'd it be?
I mean, maybe Mike here, right there.
Yeah,
Break
Fraser.
it pretty hard straight. I don't think you can have a high rev rate at the spare shot and bounce it.
It's almost got to be like knuckleball.
So
Yeah.
it like runs it over if it's hooking
Yeah.
or rotating. Come on. 4 already.
God, is North Rock the easiest house in the nation?
I know. Easiest to start 7 tenths.
Nothing about this house that isn't great.
It has been the right lane every time. I mean, that's got to mean something.
Nah, he said he's made 26 in a row, so
If
the
you shot
first 7
26,
pins an automatic
10
miss.
pins in a row, would you shoot a 7 pin? Yeah, let's try it.
Oh.
See, that almost made it. I think we're gonna switch up to 7 pins on the left lane now.
I can't believe you should
I
just
don't- I
switch
just
it
don't
up
know
like
if I'm gonna make it.
Okay. They don't call it the Wichita windmill for nothing.
I mean, I'm just more confident in making 10 pins, but I think I might spare more if I go for the 7.
I would agree.
It's not as accurate on them. I mean, I'll spare them, but
I think by lane 33 you'll figure it out.
alright.
Yet to get 0. By now I think I've probably gotten 0 like 10 to 15 times. And there it is. I wish you would have just come back and punted the board.
And that's the guaranteed way of not making it. You get 0.
That's how you make up for a miss.
That's like missing a 10 pin and then getting a 6-bagger right after. AKA the PBA way.
Nice math, Brent.
Pretty good. That's 5.
Yeah, we're hanging around 12%. High percentage.
So do I go for the 7 again?
Yes. You've already committed.
Can't hit it. Great, good enough. Well, it's like the 10 pin just might not bounce out on the left lane.
Yeah.
That one hurts.
Oh, maybe. Cheating on your brand.
Big B. I think the glitters help.
It's probably the purple grips. You hit him fingers first, so. Yeah, I can't believe that missed either.
Did we count the one that I got 0?
I'm gonna go ahead and say we're gonna have to count that.
Then yes.
You're right, we're 5 for 36 right now.
I didn't miss it if I didn't hit 1. Squashed.
Son of a...
That looks powerful.
Shit.
Gunshot. Okay. Closer we get to the end, it's see the light. Yeah. Let's just do 100.
Yeah, that one just didn't look as hard. You just look tired.
I'm tired. 40 10 pins in a row.
8 shots left.
That one has some speed behind it.
You're losing some pop.
No.
Maybe Brent was right. Maybe the middle lanes bounce more.
I mean, yeah, it seems like it. 6 and 12 though. Since
I don't know. How many have you made? I don't
It's been
know.
so long since I made one.
That means you're due in baseball. Due for a make? Oh my God! About time.
That one has some authority behind it. Let's go. 6. 6 for 48. Or, well, 6 for 43. Anthony and I only made it once. I say yes.
Boo.
All right, 4 more. One last set of lanes. Cool.
6 down.
Can we get one for these 4?
You did say I'm making at least 1-7 and then made one the next shot.
Yeah. Hard baby.
Making 7-10s is a mindset. Oh my God! Yeah! Woo!
Becky, edit that then. Edit the cheer.
3 for 3. Bang! That one goes down and the game is tied.
That's so high.
Come on!
You stink.
Was it 6 or 7?
I don't know.
I think it was 6.
I think it was 6.
Let's go 7.
Let's just call it 7.
Oh, dude, that was tiring. Missed no 10 pins though.
I'm impressed by that.
That's surprising. Well,
Even
not
if-
surprising. That's expected. That went better than expected thing.
I was very worried we were going to come here and you were going to make
I
0.
got punked on the first one.
Yeah.
Then it's like, okay, we're good. We at least made 1.
And it was on lane 6, like it was right away, get it out of the way, and now you got a chance to make like a bunch.
I know. So, I mean, I think it's 6 for 48.
I think it's
Like
6.
12%. It's a little bit above the 0.7%.
0.7% ratio.
PBA.
Yeah, I'd say it's above average for sure.
I think it's below my average, but
You think anybody in the house could beat that?
I don't know if anybody